Potato chips on fried rice? It's a tasty dish.
The fried rice in Weathering with You look tasty. Let's cook it.
Sure, what do we need?
We need rice and some vegetables.
We need some salt and seaweed-flavored chips too, right?
Yes, you're right.
I have a bag of chips.
Great. Overnight rice is the best for this dish.
I'll cut up the vegetables, garlic, onions, and mushrooms.
Okay, let's start frying everything together.
Later,
I'll break the chips up into pieces and add them.
Now we put the fried rice on a plate.
Last, put the egg yolk on top of the rice as the finishing touch.
Done! I can't wait to try it!